Hey.
Now going to
Hey, Shania.
that's 50 here.
Hey, Shania. Touch it. Reach for it.
Walk up a bit.
Come on.
And
Come on.
yeah.
Look at your sister. Look at your sister.
And I still have
So look at her. What is that? That's her toy. Touch it.
now let's go down.
Ah.
17. Horses need to walk.
You want tummy time now? You scream.
And we are.
Hey, girl. Yes. I did it a while ago.
Now,
Her, what's she trying to? Yeah, she cried. She eating it.
now the 50 being the normal lens.
Hey, okay, touch it. Touch it, Shania. See here? Do it. Reach for it. Come on.
Very evident.
Come on.
Feel that we are very close to her.
Your arm short?
Now 32.
What? Yay! Yay! You staring at it. Touch it! You're staring at it. See here? Hey. She did it. Oh, she did it. I didn't get it. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Touch me. Touch me.
We have a subject less than beautiful.
Shana.
She's still beautiful, but she doesn't look that much. And now I will change the lens.
She's not beautiful.
We go
No, he's not proportional.
wider 7, which will be 14. Just watch that.
Okay.
Now
I'm putting this in the internet now.
14. I will start
My
again
parents see the
at
video.
12, where we left on the other lens, and I will walk my way down to 7 millimeters.
Come on.
A real fisheye. So let's
Touch that.
do again the 12. Where we were earlier.
Genius or?
You go. What are you waiting for me?
So that's the 12, equivalent to the 12 that I did earlier.
You going home?
Now we're doing 10, which is
Here.
No, practice and stuff.
Yes. Yes, you. You touch it. You touch it.
bubble effect. And going down, let's go directly to 7, which is 14. And now, I could take
Hi.
the whole studio in a shot.
Hi.
So just
Hi. Hello. Come on. Come on, Shania. Touch it, Shania. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
So the importance
Like him.
of the zoom in portrait taking will force you
You're Shana. Hi, you're Shana.
focal length
Come on. Touch the toy.
and onto
Touch the toy. Yes. Yes, touch the toy, yes. Come on. Yes. Yes.
And also the small point.
Yay. Yay.
You can zoom
Yay. Good girl. Come on, you too. You too. You too.
portrait.
Yes.
And also on choosing the right.
Really? I say I'm taking portrait like this now.